Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to control a LED using new Blink 2.0. Okay, first go to your Chrome and search just Blink IoT. Click the Blink IO. First you have to log in here and you have to create an account. So I already created an account and just log in. There is the your web dashboard and has the template. Okay, first you have to create a new template and just name your project. I named it here LED Blink. Okay, now choose your hardware. Here I am using ESP8266 and connection type is Wi-Fi. Okay, you can add your description. What is the project? Okay, now your template is created. This is your hardware and here you can see the template ID and device name which will be need in our code. Okay, as a metadata you can add your device name, your name, location, etc. Okay. Data streams, in data stream you have used to virtual pin and name your virtual pin. I have named it LED. Choose a virtual pin and your data type will be integer type and just as it is created. Now your data stream is created. Okay. And in events you see your device is online or offline. Okay, in web dashboard just you see there is some widgets. Okay, we have used here switch, so we choose a switch. Yeah, name your switch. Just I named it here LED and data stream that is created a LED V0. Okay, just save it. Okay, our web dashboard is created. Now we have to, there is a mobile dashboard. You have to download the Blink application from Play Store. Okay, before going to coding section we have to go to Google and search Blink Agent. Just get the Blink Agent library at GitHub. You have to download the code and zip file. Okay, I will add the link in the description box. You can go through this link. Now go to Sketch in your Arduino IDE. Include a library, that zip file. Just select the zip file that you have downloaded. Select it. Yeah. Now go to tools. Okay, choose your board. Okay, that is ESP8266. Now go to files, examples, scroll down and you can see that Blink, and in Blink you can see that blink.agent. Go to the ESP8266. That's the code and we need to modify our code. Okay, here you can see that template ID and device name. which I have created in our Blink IoT. Okay, we have used virtual pin, so we have write some code for that. Just write the code, that is blink write, and we have used v0 virtual pin, so we have write the v0, and in that function just write int pin value equal to param dot agent that the digital write. Okay, our pin number of the ESP8266. Okay, I am using the 13 pin number 13, and the pin value. You can also define the pin number as LED pin outside this blink write function. Okay, just for that I am using int LED pin equals to 13, and 13 is the GPIO pin of this of the ESP8266 board, and which pin number you can see on that board D7. Go to the board setup, and here you have also write pin mode. Under the pin mode LED pin, which is our output, so write the output. Our code is completed. Now uploaded. First we have to change the template ID and device name. For that, go to your LED Blink in web dashboard. Just copy it, and don't forget to save the web dashboard and paste it here. Now you can upload the code. If you have subscribed now my channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Okay, now go to the mobile application. Okay, just download the Blink IoT application. And you have to log in here, and after login add new device and connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, in Wi-Fi section you can see that Blink LED blink, that is our access point. Click it. Okay, now it is connecting. Okay, you have to choose your Wi-Fi network that you have externally used. Now it's connecting. It's taking some quite time. Okay, okay, now it's connecting. Just continue it. Now it's done. Now it is done. Okay, finish and exit. Okay, in this mobile application you see that button. Okay, to create it button, go to settings and just click on the screen. And just click the button and click on the button and named it, and in data stream you have choose the LED that we have created in our Blink IoT. Now go to your Blink web dashboard. Okay, and in search you can see that your device that is showing online. Okay, it is also created, it is showing online. Just click. Okay, you can see that I can control the LED using